Hello everyone, this is a motherboard on 8013 and 8085 with ULN 2003 driver board. The board supports the AVR ISP program and is compatible with the Arduino IDE. So you can write and upload your own code easily. Using the single board, you can construct the multiple projects. Here the example. So this is that modular house. Here this same board I utilize. So switch on this all devices easily. Yeah, here this is this motherboard, and also here turntable rotate projects. Here also I am using the same motherboard. This motherboard is I used. And third one, ultrasonic distance measure project. Here also here I am using the same motherboard. And toll gate project. Here this is a toll gate project. I am using the same motherboard here. We can utilize a multiple project in the single board. So we can use this Arduino protocol, that is Arduino IDE, the fix the board. We can program it. And otherwise we can utilize AVR ISP. Here the pin is fixed here. We can fix this model in the computer. We can program it. This board price is 650 rupees. Bulk order price will vary. If you are interested in this motherboard, kindly contact my WhatsApp number. And also the PCB also is available. You can make it to our construction, the PCB with the ICs we provide externally. You can utilize die project also. Thank you for watching.